Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a very bronzy inspired look, and everything is just golds and browns, and then I wanted to spice it up a little bit. So I'm also going to teach you how to do little faux freckles. I know a lot of people don't like them, or my husband's one of those people and he hates it when I do it, but I love it. So if you would like to know how to do a little bit of a faux freckle situation, then keep on watching. Bye! So I already have my eyes primed. What I used was the Wet n Wild Photo Focus eyeshadow primer, and we can move straight into the eye. So I'll be using the Juvias Place eyeshadow palette, the Saharan one again, and I'm going to take that same shade Katsina that we used in the last video, which you should go watch if you haven't. So next I'm going to be taking my bronzer. This is the Wet n Wild contouring palette. And it's supposed to be a contour shade, but it's a little bit warm for me, so I just use it as a bronzer. I'm going to take that and again buff it all over the crease. So now I'm just going to take this again, the Wet n Wild one. Hello. Good. And because I want that punch of gold, then I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild gold highlighting bar and take it with my pinky. Good. Okay. And then just to keep blending everything in, I'm actually going to grab the bronzer again and then go over top of this just so that it doesn't look like matte crease shimmery lid. I want everything to kind of like blend in together. So even after I put this matte bronzer over top of it, you're still going to see that sheen come through. And that's what I want. After that, I'm going to take a deeper brown. So I'm going to take this brown shade right there. I'm also going to stamp it in the inner corner to kind of make a halo type eye. And take a little bit more of the brown one and sweep it under the eye. And then back to the Saharan palette from Juvias Place. I'm going to take this color Senegal. Oh, that's so buttery. Cool. And after that, I am going to take the color West. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. To kind of darken it up in the outer corner, I'm going to just smudge this. A small brush, and I'm going to blend that out. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do my other eye of camera and I'll be right back. Okay, now that we're back and I have everything else done, I want to do that. I just did that. So I saw I have a tiny freckle, like tiny freckle right there, and I kind of want to do faux freckles all over my face. Just any brown pencil that you think would work for you, go ahead and use that. I know it's not like a super sharp point, but sometimes when I'm doing this I like to keep it really sharp. But I'm just going to go ahead and emphasize that I have. And I have like some freckles over out my face, but I'm just going to go in and dot my face like that. Yeah, try to do different shapes, different sizes, like different kind of darkness. Cool, and then once I get to this spot, I like to grab my dry beauty blender and just push the product in so that they look kind of blended out and not as harsh. even though you'll still be able to see them. And that's it for today's look, you guys. But I still hope that you guys enjoy it and that you like this bronzy kind of vibe that we have going on today. But okay, I hope you're having a great day and we'll see y'all later in the next one. Bye!